Jay-Z's lawyer Alex Spiro is asking the judge to hurry up and dismiss the lawsuit. For the avoidance of doubt, Mr. Carter is entirely innocent. This is a shakedown. This matter is of the utmost importance, and we request an expedited hearing. Will this be dismissed? Jay-Z attended the premiere of Mufasa and walked the red carpet with his family, which appeared awkward. Blue plays Kiara in the new blockbuster, alongside Beyoncé as Nala. As Beyoncé and Blue posed for the camera, Jay-Z joined them. Observing their body language, she put her arm around him, and he reciprocated, but quickly removed it. Although the couple stood close, Jay-Z was slightly off to the side and seemed to try walking away, but Beyoncé held him back. Then, Tina Knowles joined to stand by his side, and he put his arm around her, despite her liking. A post earlier announcing the lawsuit, Jay-Z is named, and however she released a post later saying she was hacked. So Mama Tina, they hacked you to only like that post? Sketchy. As cameras captured these moments, Jay-Z seemed uncomfortable, yet his hand remained around Tina Knowles. It seems Jay-Z wanted to support his family, but it raises the question, was it a good look? The public expects a united front, but recent rumors of secret meetings with divorce lawyers and now this accusation have surfaced. Jay-Z is determined not to lose a penny and to maintain his innocence.
Dear Honorable Judge Torres, we write on behalf of our client, Shawn Carter, concerning the inflammatory allegations made against him in the recently filed amended complaint. Based on the meritless and frivolous accusations, Mr. Carter filed a motion to deny plaintiff's request to proceed anonymously pursuant to Federal R. Civ. P-10-A, or to dismiss the complaint pursuant to Federal R. Civ. P-12-B-1 this morning. Due to the highly sensitive nature of this matter and the intense media scrutiny it has generated, we respectfully request to be heard on an expedited basis. For the avoidance of doubt, Mr. Carter is entirely innocent. This is a shakedown. He is not mentioned, referenced, or implicated in any way in the criminal investigation of Mr. Combs. He is neither a target nor a person of interest in that investigation. Adding to the urgency of this matter, attorney Tony Busby has orchestrated a months-long press campaign aimed at inflaming public opinion and escalating the events in real time on social media platforms. Every day and in real time, Busby continues to amplify false narratives, exploiting the legal process to generate media attention and damage Mr. Carter's reputation. This relentless campaign underscores the need for a fast-track hearing to address these issues promptly and prevent further harm. Plaintiff's request to proceed anonymously is both procedurally improper and unsupported by law. Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 10-A requires all parties to be named in their pleadings, reflecting the bedrock principle of transparency in judicial proceedings. Plaintiff has failed to demonstrate any compelling circumstances that would justify an extraordinary departure from this rule. The speculative and unsubstantiated claims of harm presented by plaintiff's counsel do not meet the stringent standards required by the Second Circuit and other federal courts to allow pseudonymity. Furthermore, plaintiff's allegations, coupled with the conduct of her counsel, Anthony Busby, suggests a deliberate attempt to leverage the judicial process to generate unwarranted media attention and pressure Mr. Carter into a settlement. This misuse of the legal system undermines both its integrity and Mr. Carter's ability to defend himself effectively. It is critical that plaintiff's identity be disclosed so that Mr. Carter can investigate and respond to the claims fully and fairly. We further note that the timing of this filing coincides with ongoing media coverage of unrelated matters involving Mr. Combs's criminal trial, in which Mr. Busby does not represent victims, underscoring the prejudicial and retaliatory nature of plaintiff's claims. The amended complaint appears designed not to seek justice, but rather to amplify unsubstantiated allegations and harm Mr. Carter's reputation by Anthony Busby. Allowing plaintiff to proceed anonymously would deny Mr. Carter the fundamental right to confront his accuser, while simultaneously enabling plaintiff and her counsel to conduct a trial by media. Given these circumstances, we respectfully urge the court to deny plaintiff's request to proceed anonymously and dismiss the complaint pursuant to Rule 12-B-1. This matter is of the utmost importance, and we request an expedited hearing to address these significant procedural and substantive issues. See Laster v. District of Columbia, 439 F. Sup. 2D93, 100, BDC 2006, expediting briefing schedule due to high risk of irreparable injury and time-sensitive nature. We are available at the court's earliest convenience to provide additional briefing or to appear for a hearing on this matter. Respectfully, Quinn Emanuel Urquhart and Sullivan, LLP. Alex Spiro CC, Antigone Curries.